Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today let's make a quick and healthy protein rich breakfast with split green moong dal, which is low on carbs and hence makes it a healthier option. Also, it's made with just 1 spoon oil. So let's begin with our moong dal appe or appam. But before that, welcome to Lair Homemade, where you'll learn more about cooking, baking, miniature art, gardening and many more artistic things. And if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe for more updates. So these are the ingredients that we'll require. I have also given them in the description box below. First, we'll soak our split green moong dal in water for about 2 hours. We are taking the green one because we know the dal with its skin is packed with healthy nutrients. Now we'll take our soaked dal in a mixie jar. To this we'll add cumin seeds, garlic, chilies, ginger, green coriander, and we'll grind it to a paste. Now we'll take this in a bowl and add salt as per taste. And half a cup of semolina or suji to this and mix it. This breakfast is very simple and easy. You just need to have your moong dal soaked beforehand and then you're good to go. Now once your suji and moong dal mixture is mixed well, we'll add 1 tablespoon of oil in this and mix it vigorously so that the oil is mixed well with the entire thing. This recipe keeps you fuller for a longer period of time. Also, because we are using very less oil in this recipe, it will also help in controlling your weight gain. Now we'll cover this and leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll add the ENO and add 2-3 tablespoons of water on it so as to activate it. And then we'll mix it very lightly. Make sure you're not over mixing the batter after adding the ENO fruit salt. Second thing to remember is that your tawa, the appam tawa, has to be ready before you start mixing the ENO fruit salt. Otherwise your batter will get deflated if you take too long to cook it after adding the fruit salt. Now this is mixed well. Now we'll start frying the appams. I have not added any oil in the appam pan. This is a non-stick pan, so you can easily make appams in this. Pour in 1 tablespoon of mixture into the appam pan in this manner. This pan can also be used to make fried items such as onion bhajia, etc. Now we'll keep this pan covered for 2 to 3 minutes till our appams are done. Our appams are cooked on one side, so now we'll be turning them and we'll cook them till they are done on the other side as well. You can notice I have not used any oil in this. Now they are ready. Let's remove them on a serving dish. Our moong dal appams or appe with 1 spoon oil are ready. Now for our next batch of appams, I'll show you how to make them with oil. We'll put just 1 or 2 drops of oil in each cavity and fill them with 1 tablespoon of the mixture like this. Like I said before, you can make various bhajiyas, pakoras on this appam pan in this manner by adding just 1 or 2 drops of oil. Our appams with just 2 drops of oil are also ready, so we'll remove them in a serving plate. I have served them with tomato chutney. You can also serve them with any chutney of your choice. If you do like my recipes, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay happy, keep smiling and cook homemade, cause homemade is your own made.